Hi, my name is Shawn Cole, and I'm an online entrepreneur and online moneymaker, and I want to share with you some information with you today. In my previous videos, I've shared about Nowsite marketing and Nowsite Life products. I've gone into detail about the benefits of both products. The marketing platform is well known and highly regarded for its AI setup, its easy AI setup, which saves you time and money by setting up your website, your blog, email campaigns, and social postings for you. And we all know that you can get started with that service for $87 a month, a fairly reasonable price. And I've touched on the new Nowsite Life product, which pairs you with an expert coach in your field or business that can help you to take care. Which can help you take your business to the next level. And that product right now is set at the $87 a month price point as well, and what is most likely to go up. So, like I said, I would advise you to jump in and take advantage of it if you like what you saw previously, what I posted. Well, since the announcement of Nowsite Life, we've received a lot of questions about bundling the services, and will this be cost effective for you to do so, right? Well, they've heard your request and have announced that yes, they will package the services together, and there will be a discount for you to do so, which is awesome. If you have both services, you will receive a discount of $30 on the new Nowsite Life service, meaning that you can have both services for a total of $144 a month. $144 a month to have a personal business coach and our AI service. So for less than the cost of a Happy Meal, you can receive our AI generated 3-click marketing platform and an expert coach for your business. I want you to hear that again. Think about that. Let that resonate with you for a minute. Now tell me you don't see the value in that. If you'd like more information on either service, leave a comment or send me a message, or you can give me a call at 443-527-8701. And my name is Shawn Cole. You can also find me on Facebook at Shawn Cole or my business page, Shawn Cole Enterprises. Also, if you like this video, drop a like on it. And if you want more information on how to make extra money online, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time. Be blessed, be prosperous, and be grateful. Thank you.